today's Numbers for Life session. So today we are going to be looking at using sort of money for travel. So our topic obviously is flow. We've been looking at rivers, various other bits and pieces like that. So, you can get a bus to places. You can, travel by train and stuff like that. But in London and actually lots of other sort of cities and sort of, towns and, actually lots and lots of places, there are, different ways to actually travel. So what we're going to be doing is looking at something called the Thames Clippers. So you may well want to, in fact, I'd actually encourage you to have a little look at their website. Now, they're not running at the moment because of COVID, but when they are running, you would normally be able to sort of get on and go to various places. So what I'm going to do is just bring up an example here of a sort of simplified map. So this is their general map that they've got here, and you can see that they've got all of the different sort of stops and what have you alongside. So we've got Bankside, London Bridge City. Now you don't really need to worry about these. What you need to do is you need to look, you can see there are 3 different zones, okay, on the map. So you've got zone A, zone B, zone C. You won't see these letters on the actual website, but it's something that I've added there for you to make it a little bit easier for you to follow along and try and have a go of doing this. So normally they call them West Zone, Central Zone and East Zone, and what you do is you would pay one amount of money if you're travelling just in the West Zone, one amount of money if you're travelling in the Central Zone, and one amount of money if you're travelling in the East Zone. However, if you want to go between zone C and B, or maybe A and B, or you want to go all the way along the route, then there are different amounts that you have to pay for each thing. So you can see here what we've done is we've simplified it. So if you're doing A to B, you can see the coin that you would need to choose. You're doing B to C, you've got some different money here, A to C, something else there. So what you would need to do is sort of think about where it is that you want to travel, and then choose the correct coins for doing it. Now, for all of you, I'm going to give you a little challenge to sort of see if maybe you can find a different way of paying for this. So this is the sort of the first level. We've got this one here, so you can see you haven't actually got the coins. You need to actually work out for yourself which coins you would need to pay for this object or this item, and then here you can see we've got the same thing, but actually you've got an extra challenge here. So straight away I'm asking you to find as many different combinations, if you sort of in this top group, for trying to actually pay for it. So how many different ways can you find to pay 80p? How many different ways can you find to pay £3 for this sort of route? Also, like I say, I challenge you to actually have a little look at the website. See if you can find out how it is very, very complicated. So forget if you had like an oyster or anything else like that, but actually how much would it cost you for a single journey to get from zone A or West Zone to the Central Zone, which is A to B. Okay, have a little look at that. Hope you like this little activity. Really have a look at their website as well. Have a little look at some of the boats and different bits and pieces like that, and you can sort of see what it's actually like. How would you prefer to travel up in central London? Obviously, at the moment, it's not really an option for any of us. But if you were to be doing a travel, how would you actually do it? How would you like to sort of travel up in central London? Hey guys, thank you very much, and I will see you soon.